Our bodies experience changes every day, but we only notice them years or even decades later. We often feel younger than we really are. Nothing hurts and everything seems okay, and we think that nothing is changing, but the changes are happening even if we don't notice them now. We try to take care of our health and believe it's better that we pay attention to it before any problem appears. This time, we want to inform you about the changes that happens to our bodies every 10 years and also give you some tips on how to slow them down. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on and like this video. Number 1. From 20 to 30. This is the time period when most of the people feel young, full of energy and really think about aging. But even at this age, small changes happen. If you don't think about them by the age of 20 or 25, you might be surprised by what happened to you at 30. During this period, your bones stop growing. The production of collagen decreases. Your wisdom teeth appear. Of course, every person's body is unique. For example, some people have wisdom teeth at the age of 16 and some never get them. But most processes are the same for everyone. So you should take these facts into account. Tip: even if you don't have an extra weight at the age of 20, get used to watching what you eat. Because by the age of 30, your body might change if you indulge too much in fast foods. Even though you don't need any cosmetics with collagen, at this age, try to eat more foods that contain it. Number 2. From 30 to 40. When some people are 30, they still look like they are 25, and this is a good thing. However, change within the body only becomes faster, and if you don't do anything, these changes can become quite visible soon. Changes at this age can include the worsening of muscle tone, a decrease in the amount of muscle tissue as it is substituted with fat, a decrease in the amount of collagen and elastin. Tip: if you were always in shape without really doing anything, you should get used to getting some physical activity. If you don't do any exercise, your muscle tone may start to look bad. It is very important to take care of your skin and avoid sunbathing. Number 3. 40 to 50. Some scientists believe that the human body reaches its peak development at the age of 38, and after that, real aging starts. The changes that happens faster and faster include a decrease in the number of nerve cells, an accumulation of fat in the body, worsening vision, an increase in the fragility of bones and joints, a loss of estrogen, and higher blood pressure and movement. Tip: at this age, physical activity is vital. It will help to support the normal function of the heart and slow down the decrease in the muscle tissue. If you are not used to doing sports, you should start small by doing something like walking or swimming. Also, you should start tracking your blood pressure. The risk of having a cardiovascular diseases increases dramatically at this age. Number 4. From 50 to 60. By the age of 60, people's appearance changes a lot, and it's not just because of their genes but also because of their lifestyle, including diet habits, physical activity, and so on. Most people experience similar changes during this period of life. Brain cells and other cells become permanently damaged. The risk of having gastric problems increases. The memory worsens. At this age, most changes are connected with brain function, and this is what you should pay the most attention to. Acquire new skills, experience new things, read books, and try to do tasks that are out of ordinary. At this age, many people notice that it is hard to concentrate and memorize things. That is why it is necessary to eat foods and take medications that improve brain functions. Number 5. From 60 to 70. Most people experience physical changes which are absolutely obvious at this age. However, there are also internal changes that few people know about, like the nerve and taste receptors don't work as well. It becomes harder for people to taste, smell, and even feel the temperature. The voice changes, the heart function decreases, bones get thinner, so people can even become a little shorter. At this age, it is very important to monitor heart function, have a strict diet, and have a medical checkup regularly in order to keep the muscles toned. You need to have regular physical activity. Number 6. From 70 and older. People older than 70 are considered elderly. Even though some of them may look and feel younger, the aging process becomes even faster. Changes at this life stage includes a decrease in muscle mass, people get tired faster and can do the things they used to do before. A decrease in the volume of fat in the body, a decrease in the speed of regeneration, all skin damages takes a longer time to heal. A slowdown in all the body's functions, breathing, digestion, and so on. A worsening of the short-term memory. People easily remember things that happened a long time ago but have a hard time remembering what happened several hours or days ago. Tip: at this age, people need to do a lot to stay in shape, including make their brains and body do enough work. See a doctor regularly and maybe take some necessary medications. Body changes are something we cannot stop, but we can slow them down. Modern elderly people are the ones who can run a marathon at the age of 70 and learn to do something new at the age of 80. All we can do is take good care of our bodies in order to extend our beauty and youth. Do people know who are still in good shape despite their age? Tell us in the comment below.